so many, noises around in the social media, in the print media, and the main media on the happenings, especially in the Senate. All, all the questions I'm answering, all the queries I'm answering, they are queries which were committed by the previous regime of Honorable Ongwai. Audits from 2013 to 2021. I was a member of parliament of the Great North. Because now they have taken it that is now they are trying to think that they can blackmail me through it. I've decided I'll spill the beans as they are. The commitment to the people which I made is to reveal the death. I decided